my soul. Studio version, yeah. Back home now. London raised me twice. Let's talk about it. Steady flow, 82, 88 BPM. Came back from Manchester, pockets full of pain. London lights hit different when you started again. Had nothing but a dream and then a name. Built it from the dust, turned struggle into flame. Ignite. Family gave me purpose, love gave me fight. Fight for it. Long nights, hard rap, still chasing the light. Keep going. Every tear was a lesson. Every wrong felt right. Now I move with patience, scars shining bright. Slow it down, bring the hook in. From nothing to something, I carved my lane. Loved it, lost it all. Found myself in the rain. Now it's me and my son, we breaking the chain. Single, independent, still carrying the flame. Yeah. Me and my boy, we ride, we rise. Yeah. Used to wake up broke, now I wake up free now. No change, no stress, just him and me, just us. Built a home from the hurt, built peace from the breeze. Every setback was fuel, now I'm who I should be. Becoming patience came from pain, resilience from love. Paid my dues, never counting the cost. London raised me twice, first hard then soft. Now I'm teaching my son how to carry the cross. Legacy, breath, let it breathe, bring the bridge. I was broken, but I never stayed down. Had to rebuild my crown from the ground. Now I walk with pride through my hometown, London. Every scar's a story, every smile profound. Story from Manchester nights to London dawn. Lost it all, but my spirit reborn. Single strong, and my son's my song. We're climbing together forever on. Forever. Yeah. You rising, keep rising. Love you, kid. Yeah.